everyone. I'm C. Kevin Ivan. I welcome you to the Annual Sport Fest. But first, I would like to greet our principals, our beloved teachers, our disciplinarians, and fellow classmates, and the NGOs who supported the event today. Before we begin, please stand up for the national anthem. That will be conducted by our own Mang Andy.
Mang Andy?
Thank you, Mang Andy. That was amazing. This is starting for now.
Mang Andy.
That will be led by Kuya Richard. Let's power and observe silence and call upon the name to Lord.
Silent.
Thank you, Kuya Richard. That was a beautiful prayer. You can now take your seat, but please remain silent for the remarks of our witness.
Take your seat, tapos remain.
Thank you, Principal, for that very inspirational speech. And now let's start with the annual sport fest.
Yung music kaya ni Ivan? Yan na. Kaya mo yan!
Now may I call on the winners of the event. Please come to the stage.
You can do it!
Winners.